when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid.
I remember back in the days when I was just a little niggero. I looked up to my bigger bro, begged if I could kick it, so when he went out with girls I could go tagging along, nagging. If she had a sis, maybe could mack a baby hood rag. Y'all remember way back then when it was 1985, all the way live. I think I was about 10, one of those happy little niggas singing the blues that be always trying to bag with the shag and karate shoes, saying yo mama black, his mama this, his mama that. Then he get mad and wanna scrap. We stay mad about 10 minutes, then it's like back on the bike to play hide and go get it with the younger hoes by the bungalows. Then switch to playing ding dong ditch when that gets old and too cold to hang it. Threw on a bomber jacket. You could tell the ballers cause they fell wearing gazelles. And if they really had money raised, be sporting heads. And all the girls had they turkey sling. If it broke, then they made earrings to it, like they meant to do it. But sometimes I still sit and reminisce and think about the years I was raised back in the day.
Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid.
And everybody say,
when I was young, I'm not a kid.
And everybody say,
I sit and wish I was a kid.
And everybody say,
when I was young, I'm not a kid.
what?
But some days I sit and wish I was a kid.
I'm still back in the days, but now the year is 87, 88. That's when my crew and I were in junior high in 7th grade. I hated school, wishing it grown up. No doubt I couldn't wait to get out and be a grown up. But let me finish this reminiscing and telling about when girls was selling tight corduroys like for the boys, basket weaves, Nike Cortez and footsie socks, and eating pickles with Tootsie Pops, and it don't stop. I'm glad cause when JJ's bad did Supersonic, it was kinda like a sport to wear biker shorts or to wear jeans, and it seemed like the masses of hoochies had poison airbrushed on their asses. Dudes had on Nike suits and the Pumas with the fat laces, cause it was either that or K-Swiss. I miss those days, and so I pout like a grown jerk, wishing all I had to do now was finish homework. It's true, you don't realize really what you got till it's gone. And I'm not gonna sing another sad song, but sometimes I do sit and reminisce and think about the years I was raised back in the day.
Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid.
And everybody say,
I remember way back when.
and everybody say,
I remember way back when.
and everybody say,
I remember way back when.
what?
Back in the day. Back in the day.
Well, it's the niggero. I figure that now I'm all grown up because I'm 18 years old, and guess you can say I'm holding down a steady job and crew steady mobbing, you steady bobbing your head, and I paint, so I got it made, but didn't always have clout. Used to live in South Central LA, that's where I stayed and figured a way out. I gave it all I had, so for what it's worth, I went from rags to riches, which is a drag, but now I'm first, so hard in the Joneses is on our way up. Yep, we said that we was gonna make it since a kid, and we finally did, but sometimes I still sit there reminiscing, thinking about the years I was raised back in the day.
Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid.
No doubt. Yo, Brooklyn. What?
Through the verses, the all's about the surface. For pompous curtains, you lack the surgeons for earnings. We rendering them worthless. What's the verdict? We heard this. Mega formulates for purpose. My mindset is goals met, though foes that's constant. We on some calm shit. Laid back for pay black. When niggas weigh that, they can't hold it. We so control it, as if it's well promoted. We take the market in hand and mold it. Behold us, the ones that flip this. Handle their business, snatch the riches, and be the fuck out. You never seen a puff of smoke until you seen the city vote from a scene we did harm to. A massive invasion upon you, about to bomb you, then flow beyond you. The city got that shit you respond to. And when the squad cue, we do what we do. That's empty on them. GV and God send mega large.
Yo, the city never sleeps, so don't sleep on us. We up from dawn to dusk. Stay awake, we out to stack this paper like cake. As long as it's money to make, the city never sleeps. We never sleep, so don't sleep on us. We up from dawn to dusk. Stay awake, we out to stack this paper like cake. As long as it's money to make, the city never sleeps.
Before I get in depth, let me make this clear. I'm out to grow some million through the fiscal year. And where I went now, but with the crystal glare. Ain't looking for no trouble, but the pistol's near. I'm hustling up ends to cop the latest Benz. A flooded for your ends for one of my lady friends. Swerving throughout the city on some jiggy chrome rims with major credit cards and mad loot to spend. Going out on a limb to transcend by doing whatever it takes to make these patients sin. Lay way back and watch all you fakers pretend. It's kinda funny how money turn mice into men. Me, I blend, trying to win and be the baddest at this with diplomatic status, attracting women with the fattest asses. It's automatic to stack habits and find fabrics. Be firmly established and mad rich.
Yo, the city never sleeps, so don't sleep on us. We up from dawn to dusk. Stay awake, we out to stack this paper like cake. As long as it's money to make, the city never sleeps. We never sleep, so don't sleep on us. We up from dawn to dusk. Stay awake, we out to stack this paper like cake. As long as it's money
This
to
mate
make.
goes by the creek code. When we blaze, you won't see those, you just feel them. We raise the stakes in this game like helium. The new millennium got me in mode for killing them. Greenbacks, I want a mill of them with no minimum. Strictly max out, balls put the plaque out. Niggas be frontin', we take the back route. Stay with that style, original, never act wild. Attorneys flip the contracts out, so we stack now. When I'm the match out, formula, seeing clearly through my cornea. And this goes out to niggas on the corner, megas on ya. Rap performer, no diploma. I sip a lime Corona, keep my carpet coma. The East New York soldier.
Yeah, I'm out to get this paper, God. Is you with it? I got to get it, I got to get it. Debits, unlimited credit, money infinite. To move 6 places behind a digit. I rank sending, flows created, keep us liquid. We get enough cash to stack thick with and slap you with a brick of it. The magnificent and heaven sent. Come to your residence, rolling the 6, snatching your president.
Yeah, the city never sleeps, so don't sleep on us. We up from dawn to dusk. Stay awake, we out to stack this paper like cake. As long as it's money to make, the city never sleeps. We never sleep, so don't sleep on us. We up from dawn to dusk. Stay awake, we out to stack this paper like cake. As long as it's money to make, the city never sleeps. Never sleep, never sleep, never sleep, never sleep, never sleep, never sleep.
The invincible, untouchable, CNN. So all them niggas keep asking, when CNN gon' do a joint with Premier? We did it, we here now. Y'all need to stop asking. The invincible, stop the fucking out. Untouchable, CNN. The reunion. But right now, CNN Premier, nigga. Untouchable, do it like this. nigga. Yeah, your Melvin Flint drop, my whole Colosso stop. I can't believe I fucked up and made a half-ass album. My excuse is, my pops just died, and I ain't wanna make music. My pops just died, my fans stuck with me. My shit still went gold. I got a habit just to drive, get ahead and I roll. CNN, we like the Grand Royal. I write rhymes with the Coke oil. Yo, Apollo Heat, see me, sell leak right with Rollo Creek. Got out the club, seen the police, the Yellow D. I'm like Frank Mathis, see me blow my dough. And any bitch giving head, if she blow, I know. Oh no, we had to go see Primo. Change it up, the reunion, a brand new cut. Up in D&D, staying with some rats and sluts. From the projects, you know we need our welfare cut. CNN, Network, Channel 10. Yo, it's all reality.
I'm in it to win it.
Sit back, picture that, yo, expect it.
The legacy will never end.
CNN, Network, Channel 10. Yo, it's all reality.
I'm in it to win it.
Sit back, picture that, yo, expect it.
Yeah. The legacy will never I'm not brolic, but I bend niggas and I pop collars. I grind for the top dollars, fight rock wallers. Put my hand on the Bible, tell it to the judge. I'm alive for my thug, take it in blood. I'm .com, I drop bombs, kill your squad. Live like I'm still in the yard till I park the guard. Throw my niggas in the bridge with the $50 Panasonics on the black gates. Who rap chronic, clap Jake. Whether we have not a half case, we got gas to get that straight. We moving at a fast rate. My last case, I got bail. My first remand didn't die, that's how I write it. System can't stand it. I smoke bud, get pissy. Who could flow with me, staggering, bang like a wild African. Spit gutter on his primo beat. For the love of the street, the only child my little brother was he.
CNN, Network, Channel 10. Yo, so reality.
A cachoeira que tem é aquela lá. Vocês viram a porteira?
A porteirinha preta ali, né?
Oi?
Aquela porteira preta ali, né?
Tá fechado? Tá fechado. Não sei se tem alguém lá. Não tem nada lá. Tá fechado. Bom, eu vou tentar ir lá na Nascente. Vocês vão embora?
Seja o que Deus quiser, vambora.
Vai calculando. Eu não vou filmar não. Eu seguro a filma. A Mariana vai filmar, vai sair, tá registrado.
É. Vai tocando, Marinheiro. Falou. Bom, aqui é terra, mano, então a gente vai devagarinho, tá? Não conheço. E é isso aí, estamos indo conhecer a Nascente do Rio Tietê. Tô filmando. Ah, tá ligada a câmera, né? Então... Vamos botar os pneuzão novos usando aqui Adventure pra trabalhar agora.
Well, it's the BUFF-ONE, asking y'all to please get your vibe on with me.
And it's the VITALO. Hit a vibe with y'all now and to say hello.
What up though? If y'all didn't know, it's me, and I go by the name of 14KT.
And it's the Mike League. Showing how we vibe. You call that genius? It's more like a stroke of ignorance, and I'd be more than happy to fix those broken sentences. The only problem is you're blowing in the wind and you can't pick up the pieces cause you don't know where to begin. Start with that main organ a few inches below your chin. You hear it beating but you know we're close to listening. It says, fella, you must destroy them thoughts that got you running around like your mama don't love you, boy. I'm just keeping it real, but real to me is not a real MC but a real human being. And we do the things that seem to get applause. It's called hip-hop, And we rockin' for the cause. Not the kind of rock the fiends abuse.
No.
The kind of rock that make your speakers move. What side you claim? You don't need to choose.
No.
We all the same, all my people groove. Cause when it's all said and done and we dot the I's and cross T's, y'all gon' know this cat they call Mar B. Make the names household, y'all gon' see. But for now, just vibe with me.
We gon' rep the Midwest even though we been cold.
Let's rise up together, we can all stand tall.
We spent some time away, but the connection stays strong.
We know our home and support is, we vibing off y'all.
Yo, that ain't plug right, split the crowd, make them participate, improvise. It's okay, you'll make mistakes, don't blame the sound man. The DJ got breaks, why don't you utilize the crowd and improve the vibe in this place? Hold on dog, the reason I survived this long, I made sport of this dialogue with words deliberate. Perseverance, that's like my greatest attribute. If saying I'm dope is a lie, then I go out and smack the truth. Come out the Himalayas with a Jerry curl and a snaggle tooth. I'm taking y'all back, rock a tight jumpsuit as a proof. Love or hate, y'all can take your pick. We've seen it all from plagiarists, racist hicks to OD raver chicks. Disconnected cables, freestyling to the fader clicks. My favorite is leaving torn stages cause it pays to rip. The 8 energetic with 8,000 ways to spit. Thanks for the wait, yo, we appreciate it.
Find your life inspired by reciting our song.
Tell your girls she's fly and the kids that crime roll.
We keep our dogs hype and the ladies involved.
The big stage energized from vibing off y'all.
Y'all, it goes. Let me know, is y'all with me? Yo, I'm ready to rock. Is y'all ready to rock? I'm saying if y'all ready to rock, then I might as well then spit my patented hype sentences to finish this. I got no choice but to take this back to Genesis with pure ethic. Handling it like Tom Chambers, double pump on Lakers versus Celtics. Y'all know the half steady craft the raps till I hit an extra hand clap and see fans stack at least a gold plaque on the rows back to back loads of sold out shows to show that with love laps to glow. It's all for hip hop, nothing else can match the vibe. But try to switch spots as big as it's got. We raise it to an infinite notch. Let's see them arms flop like Reggie Miller filed after drunk
It goes
shows.
on and on and on, on and on and on.
Keep your hands in the sky, we're trying to see how long.
We'll stay diving, climbing speakers like King Kong.
Yeah, hands that shows cause we be vibing off y'all.
It goes on and on and on, on and on and on.
Keep your hands in the sky, we're trying to see how long.
We'll stay diving, climbing speakers like King Kong.
Yeah, hands that shows cause we be vibing off y'all.
He just wanted to get laid. Now he wants to kill somebody.
Why you feel the need to hold me down?
Who the hell is you to think you down?
Where you gonna be in 2002? What?
Take these words home and think it through.
Check the scary facts, look at where we at. Terrorists, proletariat, known to carry gas, so we interact. Take it back, 1492. The devil sent over recruit. In America, the devil grew to the current time. Now the politics should be the governance. Forever rich, barbarian, heretic, forever sick. Inject a microchip into my dick. See these criminals of war on trial, pleading the fifth. And the mental slavery continues. If it was food, it'd be their favorite dish on the imperialist menu. We fight to liberate your mind state, but all I see is the fucking crack rock, the body count, and the crime rate. Call this the life or death cycle. About the window with the rifle, like Malcolm X and Stokely Carmichael. Drop at the stainless steel Sheridan, anti-American. Walk in the West Bank like a Desert Storm veteran.
Why you feel the need to hold me down?
Who the hell is you to think you down?
Where you gonna be in 2002? What?
Take these words home and think it through.
Why you feel the need to hold me down?
Who the hell is you to think you down?
Where you gonna be in 2002? What?
Take these words home and think it through.
I wanna be the catalyst for every street lyricist. I wanna see this movement like it was in 86. I'd free every son from crimes he ain't committed. I want purges on the guillotine with their necks split. I'd sell the Brooklyn Bridge to a Saudi for an Audi, and I'd say it was proper take of the Kings County. I'd reverse the effects of physical neglect. I want hoes in front of mirrors asking where's my self-respect. I want Ralph Lauren to get down with Carl Canal. Want Rodeo Drive smack in the middle of South Side. I really want the Latin quarterback open. A pack of Newports for 50
arrested by a menace. Feel the highlights of life through the route to John Fuentes. Consequences, the moon shape is in a quarter. 20 heads just got slaughtered from the stress of a New Yorker. Check the laws of Orca, the whole in tokens how he built it. Life filled with smoke and business, drinking charcoal filtered. 4 and 360 for non-fiction, be the obvious. Beware of Jake, eliminate fake, stay alive in this survivalist. Overcome reflections of my inner demons. My mind relate to crime like fertile eggs relate to semen. I close my eyes like I was deceased. Envision peace, then refuel from the sun in the east. Why you feel the need to hold me down?
Who the hell is you to think you can?
Where you gonna be in 2002? What?
Take these words home and think it through.
Why you feel the need to hold me down?
Who the hell is you to think you can?
Where you gonna be in 2002? What?
Take these words home and think it through.
This rap may shatter your faith or strengthen it, or you will anger you. My temperament's foul like tenements. I feel you sensing it to get a horror deep within prophecies. Planning your own arrest like Jesus, tell me you stopping me. Jerusalem, sun down on the hill. 3 bodies suspended crookedly, they booking me. My back's against the wall with ones they pushing me. It's stated like righteous kings in the line of David. Never Mercedes, all them ovens made, they got me jaded. Facing the agony, victorious. Call me Maccabees, apocalyptic. Hexing my rivalries through chemistries. It's drama time. Suit and tie guys rocking Econoline. Sitting on pick and trying to catch score, slipping on punchlines.
Why you feel the need to hold me down?
Who the hell is you to think you can?
Where you gonna be in 2002? What?
Take these words home and think it through.
Why you feel the need to hold me down?
Who the hell is you to think you can?
Where you gonna be in 2002? What?
Take these words home and think it through.
Why you feel the need to hold me down?
Who the hell is you to think you can?
Where you gonna be in 2002? What?
Take these words home and think it through. Take these words home and think it through.
Real good.
Yeah. It's that Asimov Skill Center, you know, world premiere exclusive. All up in ya.
Say I feel real good.
Yo, it's like an introduction, it's like who we be. I roll with bass therapy, y'all and Willie E. And I be J when the man laying down this poetry that's flooding through these streets like these clown ass Ollie J's. You gotta pardon me, I never felt so alive. Gotta jump back with time, y'all kiss the sky. Petrify my man, said it's time that he gonna try. And he got the killer instinct back in his eyes. I know we in the South, we know what's up. Ain't all about getting low and tearing clubs up. Specialized mics in the mix like centerfold. Moving you whether power of God or power of grace go. Yeah, I'm faithful, I'm more than grateful. Hey, where you wanna go? Cause I could take you. It's 5 million stories in my city that's untold, but only one.
E aí galera, beleza? Hoje a gente resolveu fazer um passeio aí pra Salesópolis, conhecer o Rancho da Moto. E aí resolvemos dar uma esticadinha aí, apesar do mau tempo. Quer dizer, mal entre aspas, né? Dá uma olhadinha aí. O tempo deu uma ajudada, saiu um solzinho. E aí a gente resolveu vir conhecer a nascente do Rio Tietê, né? Daqui a pouco eu vou fazer uns takezinhos aí e mostrar pra vocês aí, beleza? Firmeza total, V2 brutal na área.
Porque você imagina, você vem aqui em Salesópolis, que é a nascente do Rio Tietê, meu.
E não vim conhecer.
E tão pertinho, né?
Pertinho, você viu? De boa pra vir. Por incrível que pareça. Vou pegar umas dicas com você. Nossa, fica da hora.
Vou filmar assim, a pessoa andando de copo também.
Gente, eu sou da esposa com tênis.
eternizando importantes momentos vividos. Deixo pela terra belos frutos perdidos, plantados, colhidos pela estrada cruzada em dificuldades, contratempos herdados, emoções de real intensidade. Cidade nebulosa corrompida pelo medo, procura a todo custo encontrar um aconchego e sigo rumo a verdes campos mais amenos para libertar a alma e excluir o sofrimento. Do alto de um monte espero que chegue a hora, no relógio segundos correm do lado e fora observo a hora, outrora sem sua cor, pois só se vê seu bem intenso, auxiliada do valor. Deixo lições pra quem caminha por glórias na vida, relutando nessa guerra atrás de harmonia e paz na partida. Assim eu vou mais em paz por coisas que fiz pra mais. Então quero meu lugar pra espairecer, descansar tranquilo e poder ver o sol nascer. Vou continuar lutando, em meio a essa guerra é que vou buscando o meu lugar pra espairecer. Quero descansar, mas tenho muito a percorrer. Vou continuar no fronte, na luta que eu trago rumo aos verdes montes.
Que o Senhor me guie rumo ao horizonte, que no dia da partida eu ande em verdes montes, cheios de pureza, certeza de encontrar um bom lugar pra poder repousar, alcançar, quem sabia a paz, esquecida, perdida dias atrás, distante, banida, sofrida minha vida, refleti caminhos onde tive amigos, onde andei sozinho, incompreendido, falido, com ódio e ira no coração, vendo que talvez acredite em uma ilusão, sensação de impotência diante da guerra, e que a cobiça e a ganância jamais se encerra. Eu quero sinceridade, valor na amizade, respeito à liberdade, deixemos insanidade, lutando com amor, resgatando a luz, força e esperança é o que me conduz.
Os mesmos gestos, os mesmos atos, nada sai do lugar, mas meu espírito insiste em querer arriscar.
Trazendo um sinal, eu vejo o dia passar.
O tempo passa e não vejo nada mudar, continuo a buscar o abrigo tão sonhado, quando bens materiais e interesses são deixados de lado, pra fazer com que o sofrimento suma de alguma maneira, sem esperar pela vida inteira. Me dá vontade de jogar tudo pro alto e sumir, mas sei bem quem tá comigo e não deixou de desistir. Seguir rumo aos verdes montes até poder conquistá-lo, enquanto todos vejam que a verdade no que falo. Um fardo pesado eu sei, poucos sabem como é, pois existem muitas maneiras de ficar de pé, mantendo a fé no que acredito, nunca me corromper. Nessa guerra de egos, um lugar pra esparecer, vai.
Quero meu lugar pra esparecer, descansar tranquilo e poder ver o sol nascer. Vou continuar lutando, em meio a essa guerra é que vou buscando o meu lugar pra esparecer. Quero descansar, mas tenho muito a percorrer. Vou continuar no fronte, na luta que eu trago rumo aos verdes montes.
Forças pra lutar eu tiro nem sei de onde, mas no cochilo dessa vez não vou perder esse bonde. Vendo toda a beleza, sentado no meu lugar, sentir a brisa na janela e respirar. Embarcando nessa viagem, tendo em mão a passagem, acumulando milhagem, apreciando a paisagem, aproveitar cada momento, nuances de luz, deixar problemas de lado, essa pesada cruz. O destino, eu sei quem certo, mas sei quando começou. Teve quem estendeu a mão e teve quem tropeçou, e ninguém confessou, mas quase todo mundo tava errado o jogo. Mas começou, mas um dia vai ser zerado e até lá eu vou lutar, nem que seja até o fim, pra prosperar e ter um lugar que seja só pra mim, pra espairecer, esquecer esses dias de fronte, apreciando a beleza perdido nos verdes montes.
Lutando por um canto digno, combatente na batalha, guiado na certeza de obter em verdes montes um lugar pra construir e pendurar as minhas tralhas. Eu nunca jogo a toalha, imagino a paisagem tão pura e genuína, e no colo da menina eu descansando sobre a grama, atenuando um pouco dos velhos problemas, valorizando o sangue que derrama, pois na corrida sofrida, mas elas causam feridas. Muitos desistiram bem no ponto de partida, deixando morrer o sonho com a terra prometida nessa vida. Terão muitos dias de tormento, os dias valerão pro meu descanso ter merecimento. Assim vou pendurar a armadura com bravura e descansar dessa loucura.
Quero meu lugar pra esparecer, descansar tranquilo e poder ver o sol nascer. Vou continuar lutando, em meio a essa guerra é que vou buscando o meu lugar pra esparecer. Quero descansar, mas tenho muito a percorrer. Vou continuar no fronte, na luta que eu trago rumo aos verdes montes.
Eu sempre quis um lugar, cercas brancas, uma seringueira com balança,
um lugar que sua vista não alcança.
Eu sempre quis um lugar, gramar bilico assim, verde como massa.
Caminhar só é bom quando se sabe onde se quer chegar.
E aí, rapaziada, beleza? Fizemos um rolezinho lá na Nascente do Rio Tietê, em Salesópolis. Estamos em Salesópolis ainda, certo? Só que aí a gente fez uma paradinha aqui, ó, porque a gente vai dar um rolezinho na Cachoeira da Porteira Preta. Olha só que lugar top, galera. Vamos fazer uma trilhazinha aqui, certo? E vamos na cachoeira aqui. Um lugarzinho show de bola. Aconselho aí para quem quiser passear, galera. Olha que lugar lindo, galera. Olha.
Olha isso!
Fica aí, marinheiro, fica aí. Aê! Olha esse lugar, galera.
Olha isso!
Lindo demais. Eu acho que para ser feliz não precisa muito. Deus, ele é tão perfeito naquilo que faz que a felicidade ele nos dá aí, ó, de graça. Certo? Olha que lindo. Isso aí, galera. Além dos vlogs, dos vídeos de susto que eu já costumo fazer, né? Eu vou começar a colocar no canal a partir de agora alguns passeios, viagens que eu fizer aí, eu e minha patroa, certo? Espero que vocês gostem aí. Se vocês curtirem, né, os vídeos de passeio, eu coloco mais. Deixa aí seu salve, seu comentário. Eu vou sempre colocar dicas aí de passeios, de lugares, beleza? Desfrutem aí, certo? O marinheiro tá deslumbrado aí, ó. Lindo, pessoal, lindo demais. Lindo.
Oh, now, la, 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 la.
We will overcome trials.
Hey! Oh, now, I will overcome it. Lord, I will overcome it. You will overcome now. I will overcome, your children will overcome, you will overcome, I will overcome, we will overcome, boom shot, yeah. I and I must stand tall, but the poor they have no pity. Don't take us for fraud, through we worship the Almighty. To folks down a yard and other folks in other countries. Yes, hardship will come, but it's the work of the Almighty. Oh, yeah. Do you believe in love? Sing it, Tevin. Can you feel its power? Oh, yeah. With love in our hearts. Do you know there's so much we can do?